Today we're making a 3-ingredient, high-protein, gluten-free pancake using cottage cheese. It's delicious and I can't wait for you to try it. All right, let's get into the video. So here's the preparation for the cottage cheese pancakes. I'm going to add 1 cup of full-fat cottage cheese to my NutriBullet, 2 large eggs, and a 1/2 cup of old-fashioned oats. Also, I use my farm fresh eggs in this blender too, so it's going to come out probably a little bit more yellow. I'll show you in a few minutes. Now, if you want a high protein pancake, add 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder to this mixture and maybe 1 more tablespoon of water, because you want to keep it a nice pouring consistency to make pancakes. So I'm going to put this on my NutriBullet and blend it, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Blending should take about 25 or 30 seconds to get to the right consistency. You want your batter to be pourable. So I'm going to take this over to the stove. You want your skillet to be pretty hot, but you don't want to scorch them. They take just a few minutes to bake. When you cook it on top of the stove, you want your skillet hot. Pour your batter in, just a tiny bit of oil in your non-stick skillet, and then put a lid on top of it and let it steam as it's cooking. It'll make your pancake nice, fluffy, and tender. So before I pour this into my hot skillet, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Now, after you make your pancakes, you can eat them with honey, syrup, fruit, and powdered sugar, or whatever you would like. And just like that, I have a yummy pancake made with cottage cheese and eggs, butter melting on the top. You can eat it like this with your favorite fruit, sprinkle a little bit of confectioner's sugar or your favorite syrup or your favorite honey and put that on the top. Looks yummy. Thank you for watching my channel today as we made pancakes. These pancakes were so simple, just 3 ingredients. We used cottage cheese, eggs, and rolled oats for the pancakes to come together. As I went to the stove and started making them, they weren't quite as thick, or they didn't rise enough for me, so I added a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and when they came out they were much lighter, much fluffier. The teaspoon of vanilla flavoring that I added really enhanced the flavor, and I love the way they turned out. I think they're good just the way they are, and you can try those with your favorite syrup or honey. I really enjoyed the flavor and the texture of them. If you would like to add and make more protein, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder to the mix and maybe 1 tablespoon of water to keep that a nice pourable consistency. And again, just 3 ingredients in these pancakes. They came together so fast. Thank you for watching and following my channel. And let me know if you've ever made these at home.